The 36 FLX is a smartly designed rear living model that has a spacious kitchen with a beautiful island in the center, solid surface countertops. You'll notice all the ambient accent lighting that runs across the roof and underneath the countertops. In the dinette, you'll have theater seats with heat and massage, a table that doesn't have a pedestal underneath, linoleum and all the slide outs. You also have zebra shades underneath those valances that'll completely black out the windows, which there's tons of windows that lets in lots of natural light. There's a nice big smart TV that's over a fireplace that blows out electric heat, pet pantry down below for the food and water dishes, and then up above you'll have an air fryer microwave that's a combo. Underneath is a residential size oven that you can put a turkey in if you'd want to. Underneath those stairs is some nice shoe storage, as well as a nice little mudroom area to sit down, get your shoes off, and hang up stuff. In the middle is the bonus room with a trifold sleeper sofa, trifold bunk up above. You can flip that down. And then over here is where you can put your office if you wanted to. A roller chair would go up there. There's USB-C fast charging ports there. Lots of space to put your clothes or items away in there as well. And then as you come out of here, you go up the stairs and there's going to be a loft up above that little office area. We build in a little collapsible ladder in case you want to have some kiddos climb up in here and put some mats down, some sleeping bags, but it's set up primarily for storage area. And then the bathroom has a nice pocket door, porcelain toilet, lots of space for linen. There's a seat in the shower. And we also have a tankless water heater on board so you can take back-to-back showers and you're not going to run out of hot water. Space for a little trash can there. And then the master suite has a king-size bed. There's lots of storage underneath it. There's space for a side-by-side washer dryer in there. There's also a shelf with inverter prepped outlets, so if you want to put a CPAP or charge up a laptop there, you could as well if you didn't have shoreline power. We'll finish things off on the exterior here. So the dry weight of this unit is 11,400 pounds, so that's with nothing in it. And it's also 41 feet, 1 inch overall length. You've got the nice white exterior with the solar reflective windows that really helps keep it cool on the inside. There's a solar package on here, so there's a 100-watt solar panel, 30 amp charge controller, expandable up to 450 watts. It's also lithium battery ready. There's a nice little outside kitchen up there. Plenty of outside storage as well in the front storage compartment. And on the back, there's a backup camera built in, as well as a bracket for an extension ladder if you choose to get one from Lippert. It hooks up in there really easy and it's nice and safe getting on there. And that wraps things up with the 36 FLX.